Hello, friends. It's almost spring, one of my favorite seasons because that's when I get in the mood to clean and declutter and clean out all the gross winter stuff that just clogs up everything over the winter when it's cold and nobody wants to do anything. So, as you can see, the aftermath in my garage, just all the dirt, all the salt, all the stuff behind me that never really got put away. It's just gross. I just want to clean it up. And today it's in the 60s. It's a little bit windy, but it's just warm enough to do something with this mess behind me. So I bet you have a garage too that you can clean alongside me, and we can get some stuff done together. So let's go. All right, what do we got going here? Yeah, as I mentioned, in the wintertime, most people in my family, okay, all of my family doesn't want to do a thing. So they get something out like the snow shovel. They don't want to put it away where it belongs. I've got all these random boxes. Look at all these boxes. Why do I need all of these boxes? Seriously, look at all those leaves and the dirt and the salt all over everything. Stuff that I probably should have, why didn't I just throw it away? I don't know. So we're gonna have some fun with some trash bag therapy here. So let's get started. We're gonna start by taking everything out. Then I'm gonna sweep and I am going to spray it down, squeegee it out, get rid of the stuff that we don't need and only put back what we need. So we got our work cut out for us today. So why don't you clean along with me? We're going to start off with some good old-fashioned trash bag therapy and get rid of any obvious trash. I don't know what it is, but during the winter season, sometimes trash just doesn't even make it to the trash bin. We are just so lazy when it's cold outside. Anyway, speaking of obvious trash, my family is obsessed with keeping empty boxes just in case. So today we'll be getting rid of most of these. It's time to let go. And if you have this problem too, here's your sign to do the same. It's going to feel so good to get rid of all this extra crap. I clean this garage out about once every few months, so my goal here is not perfection, but to make it livable again. So I won't be taking every single thing out, just the easy to move stuff, and enough where I can sweep and wash out most of the dirt and salt. Remember, progress is so much better than perfection. If a garage clean is on your to-do list this spring, let this be your permission to do it imperfectly. Whenever I clean out the garage, I dust these shelves. But I have to wear this face mask because I have major dust allergies. Also, as I go, I tidy things up, put like things with like, and throw away any obvious trash. And here's the after. It feels so much better to have this cleaned out and under control. Now I'm ready to take on the rest of the projects on my list. What's on your spring to-do list? Let me know in the comments. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe so we can spend more time together making our corners of the world a little prettier. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.